So here's the deal. We're going to actually write some of these statements ourselves now. They'll start out a little easier. They'll work their way up to something a little harder. The key to this is focusing on the vocabulary. Okay. Do you know what the word means? Okay. And then can you apply it to the picture? So focus on the geometry word. And this is basically, if you can think of it this way, and you were good at this before, this should come naturally. Okay. If you were able to look at things and say, okay, I got to make this equation because this is what the word means. We're not going to make the equation. We're just going to write a statement that says how we'd make the equation. All right. I suggest that you write the statements like this. Whatever it is, okay, is true. You don't need to write is true because, and then you write the geometry stuff right here. All right, so this is the statement. Maybe there's congruent angles or congruent sides or an angle is equal to 90, something, okay? And then this one is y, okay? And I'm going to say simple description of the vocab. All right, simple description. Bisector creates two equal parts. Let's put that as our example. All right, so bisector creates two equal parts. Something very simple. I don't need a lot of words, okay? You can write a lot of words if you want, okay? But I think sticking to this is the fact because this is the simple description is the best way to do this, okay? And I'm telling you, this takes time. I don't care how good you are at solving the equations and doing the algebra and stuff like that. This is hard, okay? And even if some of it's easy, when you get to the more advanced stuff, this is hard. Everybody hits a wall with this at some point where they're like, I can't do this. All right. And we have to be able to overcome that and just keep getting a little bit better at it. All right. If I start off with the ability to do that, I just don't know what to write down, then I'm going to work really, really hard to try to get that first piece. Okay. It says bisect. There's two equal parts. Where are they? Okay, that's a step. And then can I write the because part? And then once I get good at like bisect and midpoint, the things that would be considered like low level vocab, can I tell you about a rectangle? And can I tell you about parallel? Okay, that's what we're going for. All right, and again, it doesn't matter how many of these you get right, there's still one coming that you're not going to know how to do at some point. So be on the lookout for this stuff. Focus on the vocabulary. That's what we're trying to do.